This is Mike with Mikes.News. It's October 31st. 450,000 Californians lost cell service due to fire-related electrical blackouts. 1/6 of Sonoma County cell towers lost power, and people charged their cell phones at Target or Walmart. These fires are a direct result of climate change. We live in the richest and most advanced country in the world, and 500,000 people couldn't even make a phone call. It's all so we can keep driving gas-guzzling SUVs in the fast lane. Wake up! China is way ahead of the USA. Oh yeah, and just wait until the Arctic methane is released in vast quantities.